Hi guys, it's Natalie Crochets and welcome back to another video. I hope that you guys are doing super great. I'm doing pretty good today. It's actually St. Patrick's Day, but not as you guys are watching this. I'm just wearing green sweatpants, a green shirt, and a green scrunchie. Oh, and St. Patrick's Day socks. But anyway, I have a small-ish yarn haul for you guys. So half of it's going to be from Premier Yarns, and then the other half is going to be from Joanns. So, with that being said, let's get right into it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you guys is what's in this Premier bag. I have only ordered from Premier Yarns one other time. This honestly took kind of a long time to get here. I think it was like 2 weeks, and I was just like, okay, maybe it was 2.5. But anyway, okay, let's get right into it. So, the reason why I bought this, well, first I'll show you. The first one that I bought is the Premier Parfait Chunky. Now, I already opened this, and I already used this, this skein of yarn, but the reason why I bought the red in Parfait Chunky is because I cannot find any Bernat velvet yarn in red, like in store or online. It's all sold out, and I need a like close to the Bernat velvet as possible, but in red. So this is more of like a blanket and velvet combined. It's not really a velvet. It's just like a small chunky yarn, but it's so soft. So anyway, this is in the color Ruby. And I made a little mushroom frog out of it, so let me show you guys that. So here is the little mushroom frog that I made, and I used the Premier Ruby for the top of the mushroom, and this kind of like pops out and like plops back in. It's very cute. It's just like a little frog with a mushroom hat. Anyway, so that is the first. Sorry, I cut off that last clip because I accidentally showed my address, but I keep doing that, like I always do that. But anyway, the next yarn that I have, which I'm just going to take out the little bag. It's the exact same color, but I haven't used it yet. So, yeah, there's the Premier Parfait Chunky and Ruby, and it's 131 yards, and it's 100% polyester. And it's a super bulky 6, that's what it says. So yeah, I got 2 of those. And then I got 2 of this red, which is more of like a dusty red, I would say. I'm gonna take it out. I was trying to do it gracefully, but it didn't really work. This is more of like a, I don't know, like a cherry red, but I do really like it, but I prefer this red. But yeah, super gorgeous, but I probably would prefer this one in other projects, but like for the mushroom frog, I wanted to do the ruby. Anyway, so yeah, I got 2 of these, and this is in the color Cardinal. Oh, that is definitely a cardinal red. And then of course, same super bulky 6, 131 yards. So yeah, I got 2 of those. So this is everything that I got from Premier. Now let me show you guys what I got from Joanns. All of the yarns that I got from Joanns are the baby blanket Bernat from Yarnspirations, and I got them all on clearance. So the first color that I have here is this really pretty blue, and I was kind of thinking like a whale, maybe. I'm not sure, but I got it for $5.97, and these are usually $11.99. So yeah, it's 100% polyester, super bulky 6, and yeah, see, like, oops, the Bernat blanket is definitely thicker than this, in my opinion, because I would not use a 6mm hook with Bernat blanket, but I've used 6mm to make this little guy. So, yeah, the first one that I have is this blue in the color Starry Sky. I really like this one. And then the next, which goes along with the whale kind of vibe I was thinking, again, this was for $5.97, and it's in the color Black Bear. Black Bear? Is that right? Okay, I would assume it'd be like Storm Gray or something. Okay, so I just went to try to like find Black Bear. I don't know. It showed a black, but it didn't, I don't know. I didn't do too much research. If you guys know what color this is, let me know. I just don't think it's Black Bear, honestly. Anyway, next Bernat baby blanket that I got is the, this is in the color Man in the Moon. Okay. I don't know, I guess I feel that vibe. I don't know why I got this. It's so insane and so wild, and I don't know what I'm going to make with it, but it was $6.97. This one was more expensive, probably because it's the variegated. I don't know. If you guys have any suggestions specifically for this yarn with the blue, gray, and yellow, I have no idea what to make out of this, to be honest. But anyway, I got this, and it was $6.97, and of course 100% polyester. I don't know if I told you the yardage. 220 yards. That's pretty damn good. Pretty good. Alright. And the last yarn that I have to show you guys is the same one. Basically the same type of yarn, as I said in the beginning. But this is the Baby Grays. Oh, that's so cute. This is so incredibly squishy and soft compared to this one. Like, this one feels like it's like old, not like bad or terrible or I never want to use it, you know, like not like that, but like, I don't know, it doesn't feel like this one just feels so squishy and soft. But yeah, anyway, it's 100% polyester, 220 yards, same as the other one. But yeah, anyway, thank you guys so much for sticking around and watching my videos and hanging out with me. I'm pretty new to YouTube, as you guys know. I did used to have a YouTube channel as a kid. Like, I would post, like, probably weekly, but I don't know. I had, like, 1,000 followers or subscribers at one point, but anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed my yarn, and let me know what you think I should make out of all this. If you have any suggestions on any of the yarn, go for it. I would love to hear your suggestions. But specifically, I don't know what to make with this one. So I really need help with this one. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you later. And I hope you have an amazing day. Bye.